Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I was going through my Instagram just looking at colors that I haven't chosen to use recently. And so I landed on either green or blue. So I compromised and I chose turquoise because it's kind of in between both. It's kind of an interesting look. I don't do bright colors very often, but I kind of like it. I feel like a mermaid. So if you want to see how to get this look, please keep watching. Alright, so my face is done. You guys have seen me do that a million times. I have my foundation on my eyebrows and I just bronzed up a little bit. So for my eyes, I haven't set them yet because I'm going to be going in with Huda Beauty's matte and metal shadow. And this is in Minted. I'm going to go in with Minted first. Putting that directly on my eyelid. And I'm actually just going to use my finger to blend that out. And then I'm going to set that using Huda Beauty's Emerald Obsessions palette. Going in with this second shade, this mint shade in the top row. And I'm going to blend that on my lid using my Anastasia Beverly Hills A6 brush. Grabbing a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A12 brush. Blend out all the edges. And then taking this small Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH39 pencil brush, picking up that mint again and making sure there's no line. Just like that. It's gonna look a little bit crazy in the beginning, but don't you worry. We're gonna make it look good, I hope. And then deepening that up with this emerald color. That's the third color on the second row. And I'm gonna take this on my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH37 brush. Put it in my outer V first. And blend it up into the crease. And you can always go back in with that first brush just to blend out this color. Then going in with the other metallic side, Dinero. And I'm gonna be kind of attempting a cut crease. And then going in with that dark green brush, just making sure this color blends on top of the lid. I'm going to clean off this small pencil brush. I'm going to pick up some of that Minted and just apply that under my eye. And then also picking up that dark green. Alright, and now that we're looking like an alien, I'm going to go in with my eyeliner and I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Darkside Waterproof Gel Liner. Just a little twist up. And I'm going to go along my lash line with this. And I'm gonna sort of start forming a wing. Now I'm gonna take Anastasia Beverly Hills Single Shadow in Noir on this Morphe M515 brush. It's a really, really small pencil brush. Picking up a little bit and smudging this liner out. To create the wing a little bit more, take a slanted brush, like an eyebrow brush, or just a slanted eyeliner. And just bring the wing out a little. And then just going in and lining my upper lid. And then taking that small pencil brush again and just lining the bottom lid just a little bit lightly. So now to bronze up my face a little bit more because I feel like it's like fading away, I'm going to go in with my Morphe 8H Hi-Fi palette. And I'm going to go in with Debutant on my Beau Belle B4 brush. Then going in with blush, I'm going to go in with my Natasha Denona In Bloom palette. And I'm just going to mix Glow and Duo Glow using my Anastasia Beverly Hills A19 brush. For highlight, I'm going to be going in with MAC's Hyper Real Glow. And I'm going to go in with this first golden shade. And I'm going to take this on my long, fluffy Morphe brush. And then for my inner corner, going in with this middle shade. Taking that on my Sigma E46 brush. And then also taking this color and applying it to the brow bone. Applying the golden one to my nose. The bridge. And my Cupid's bow. Now I'm going to go in with some lashes, and I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's Olivia number 18 Shortie lashes. Then I'm just going to take any spoolie and just blend my lashes into the falsies. And then going in with some mascara, I'm going to be using Buxom's Blackest Black Mascara. And then lastly, going in with some lips, I'm going to line my lips with Whirl by MAC. This color is the closest one to my natural lips, so that's why I like to use it. And then going in with Buxom's lip gloss. This is the Plumping Lip Cream in Mykonos Sunrise. Mykonos? Tell me how to pronounce this. I don't know. It's the place in Greece, so I know that. It's a really pretty corally color. And this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Hopefully you liked this look. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Also, click that little bell icon if you want to get notifications for when I post future videos. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all of your love and support, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.